If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level for parabola. So today we will see the equation of tangent and normal. This equation of tangent will see some similarities with the circle, that is SS1 equal to 0 for finding the equation of a tangent at a given point. Okay, then let's see this. Now what is the equation of tangent and normal at a given point? Now suppose a parabola is given to you, you want to find the equation of tangents. You recall your circle, same as this one. So now you will see the concept is repeating. So what was your concept in case of circle? Suppose this is the circle, x square plus y square equal to a square. You have a point, this one. You need to find the tangent at this point. Then what was the condition? SS1 equal to 0. How will write SS1? X1 plus y1 plus equal to a square. So this was the equation for the tangent. So similarly here also you will prove it. You will also say it is the same. So it is a parabola. So you have a point, this one. So you need to find the tangent. So now for parabola, so because you can see your last article. So if I take a tangent, suppose the tangent is of this fashion, y equal to mx plus a by m for this parabola, and it has to pass through the point x1, y1, so it has to satisfy this one. Now if you see this one, this m, because it is on the line, this should give me only one value. So your discriminant, that d, this one should be equal to 0. So that's why you will find, because it is touching at this point, so this will be equal to 0, because your y square equal to, this is your equation, parabola is given to you, sorry, no y1 square, this is the equation of parabola, because it is on the parabola. So if you put x1, y1, it should satisfy, this is satisfying. So if you put it here, it is 0. That means your m, the slope is this one. So the equation of the tangent will be equal to y equal to m is this one, y equal to mx1 mx, y equal to mx plus a by m. That was the equation of tangent from your earlier article. So y equal to mx plus a by m. So this is your a by m. If you take little bit side change, and in place of this y1 square is equal to 4ax1, if I put it, if you divide it by 2x1, then you will find this fashion. What is this one? y1 2ax plus x1, that is, recall your ss1 equal to 0. You can recall this equation. Suppose the circle equation is y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So how do I write tangent at x1, y1? x1, y1, and in place of this, what I told you, g, you can think it of x plus x1 is 2x. So that's why 2 is gone. Y plus y1, I told you to write it, remember it in this way. This is the ss1. So similarly, if y square equal to 4ay, what you will write? y1. So 2 you remove, because here it will be x plus x1. So you can think 2x is coming, so 2 2s are 4. So for remembering, I am giving these shortcuts, so that you can remember. So this becomes your ss1 equal to 0. So this is your equation of tangents at the point x1, y1. So you remember this one. This will be helpful for ellipse, hyperbola, everywhere. You will see. So what is the slope of the normal? So normal is 90 degree to this tangent at this point. So if you know the tangent, you can find normal, because the slope of tangent and slope of normal, if you take product, that is -1. So what will be the slope of normal? Because m1 into m2 is equal to -1, they are at 90 degrees, so m2 is equal to -1 by m1. So it is -1 by tangent. So tangent is this one, you put it this one, so you will get this one. You see from here, what is the equation of tangent from here? This is the equation of the tangent. So from here, y is equal to 2a by y1 x plus 2a x1 by y1. So this becomes your slope of the tangent. So you put that one slope, not from this one, because this one will give you again this, again you have to simplify. You have directly simplified version, you put it there. So this is your slope. So what is the equation of normal? You know slope, you know point. So slope point formula, y minus y1, slope into x minus. So once you know tangent, no need to remember normal. From the tangent itself you can write normal. So tangent is very important. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.